Hello, hello. This is Ricky from Faraday Customs, and today what I have for you is something very special for our fellow Tesla enthusiasts for Model Y and 3, and that is our new Puddle lights. Now, if you're interested in buying this, our website will be linked in the description, or you can look up FaradayCustoms.com. And in a bit, you'll see why these lights are very special, but for now, I'll just be unboxing it. So inside the box should come with 4 of the lights, this being 1, 2, and 3, 4. And opening up here, grab one out. So this will be the wire, of course, that you use to hook up, and we'll show here in a bit how to install them. But this right here, this will project a Tesla logo on the floor every time you open up the door. So that's what makes them very special.
Okay, you click on car, click on safety, and you click on power off. Click on power off again. Now your car is ready. First step, take your screwdriver. Notice that there's a slot on one side of the OEM light. You're going to take your small screwdriver, insert it in that slot, like so, and you're just going to wiggle it till it pops out. Once you get it out, there's a clip. You'll notice that on the clip there's a little button here. You're going to have to push this little button in and pull it off of the clip. There you go. You'll notice that your car window will also go down at this point, but that's fine. Get your new light. Find the clip. Notice how the clip will be inserted. Just insert that. And notice that your car noticed that you did that. Last step, push the wires in, put your new light in. So it clicks. Done.